Hi, today I will show you how to log out of Twitter on all devices. So in this method, your Twitter account can log out of multiple devices at once. Let's get started. So the first step is open your Twitter app, tap on your profile, and tap on settings and supports, and under that, you see settings and privacy. Then tap on security and account access, then open apps and sessions. Here, you'll be able to find the sessions option. Now, to log out of your Twitter account from all other devices, just tap on log out of all other sessions, then tap log out. And now, you're logged out of all the other devices. So that's basically how you can log out of all devices using your Android or iOS devices. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.